Good morning, fam. If your hips feel tight, your legs stiff, or your lower back is begging for relief, this is your wake-up call. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to unlock deep tension in your hips and stretch out hamstrings that have been holding you back. By the end, you'll feel lighter, looser, and more mobile before the day even begins. Let's hit the mat. Let's melt the morning tension. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, sink your hips, then gently rock back and forth. Inhale forward, exhale back. Don't force the movement. Let your hips fall open naturally. This move fires up your hip flexors and unlocks your stride for the day. I promise, if walking feels stiff right now, this will change that fast. Beginners, keep back knee padded. Advanced stretches, add arm reaches or a twist. Fun fact: sitting even just 3 hours a day can reduce hip mobility. This fixes that. 5 more seconds. Sink deeper. Feel it in the front of your hip? If not, try tilting your pelvis slightly under. Now that side's open, wait until you feel the difference on the other side. Now left foot forward, hips sink low. Move slowly, rock forward, pause, then shift back. This side might feel tighter. That asymmetry shows us exactly where your body needs attention. I promise, releasing this now will make your hips feel lighter all day long. Can you glide just a little deeper this time? Is one hip resisting more? That's your clue. It needs more love. That just primed your hips. Now let's free up what's inside. Take a seat. Bend both knees in front of you. Feet flat. Drop one knee toward the opposite foot. Then come back to center and alternate. Think of your knees like windshield wipers. You're not just stretching. You're restoring the deep rotational mobility your hips crave. I promise, this movement helps with balance, walking, even squatting without pain. Beginners, sit on a block for better posture. Advanced stretches, try leaning slightly forward during the drop. Most people stretch hamstrings but ignore internal rotation, and it's the missing link in long-term flexibility. Push through 5 more reps. Can you keep your feet planted while your knees move? That just unlocked your hips. Now let's get into the back of the legs. Step your right foot forward again and straighten the front leg. Flex your foot and hinge at the hips. Feel that stretch along the hamstring and down the calf. That's the gold. You've been walking on tight legs for years without realizing what you're missing. I promise this will make bending down feel more effortless again. Beginners, keep hands on blocks with eyes. Advanced stretches, try pointing and flexing your front foot to deepen it. Your hamstrings connect directly to your pelvis. Tightness there equals back pain here. Fold a bit more. 5 seconds. Do you feel the difference between a pointed foot and a flexed one? That just lengthened the back line. Now let's sink into something deeper. Right knee forward, shin angled. Slide the left leg straight back. Breathe. Rest your hands or chest down if possible. This pose hits the glutes and piriformis, 2 areas most people don't realize are choking their mobility. I promise, if you carry tension in your lower back, this move is your solution. Beginners, prop your hip with a pillow. Advanced stretches, fold deeper and walk your hands forward. This stretch even helps relieve sciatica in many people. Breathe through it, just 5 more seconds. Where are you holding tension? Glute or hip? Time to balance that release. Same pose, opposite leg forward. Let's check in. This side might feel more open or much tighter. Don't rush. This move is about listening, not pushing. I promise, when both glutes release, your entire lower body starts to move more freely. Sink in, feel the difference. What does your body say about this side? That just opened your foundation. Let's finish with the standing challenge. Stand tall, grab your right foot behind you, knees together, push your hips slightly forward. This stretch reverses the thigh pull from sitting. I promise this will relieve knee strain and improve posture at the same time. Beginners, hold onto a wall or chair. Advanced stretches, pull the knee further back and engage the glutes. Tight quads often pull the pelvis forward, leading to back pain and bad form. Hold 5 more seconds. Squeeze the glutes. Do you feel more stretch when you pull the hip forward? Other side, we end strong. Left side now. Balance, breathe, stretch. Feel how different this leg feels compared to the first. This is why symmetry work matters. I promise, even one round of this every morning will shift your flexibility, posture, and energy. Final 5-second challenge. Can you balance without support? Which side is tighter? And what's that telling you? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.